Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your growth potential with Kraken, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on the Kraken platform. Visit the official Kraken website and click on sign up. Fill in the registration form with your email, a secure password, and your country of residence. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created account. Complete the required identity verification for enhanced security. Provide personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Upload documents to verify your identity, such as a government-issued ID and proof of residence. Once verification is complete, choose your preferred funding method, such as bank transfer or credit/debit card. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. After funding your account, explore the available cryptocurrencies on Kraken. Use the search feature to find specific coins or browse through the listed options. Analyze market data and trends for the cryptocurrencies you are interested in. Set up a trading plan that aligns with your growth objectives and risk tolerance. Decide whether to place market orders or limit orders based on your strategy. When ready, execute your trade by specifying the amount you want to buy or sell. Monitor your investments regularly to track performance and make informed decisions. Utilize Kraken's advanced trading tools to enhance your trading effectiveness. Consider using features like margin trading for increased growth potential. Stay informed about market news, trends, and regulatory updates that may affect your investments. Review your portfolio periodically and adjust your strategy as needed. Engage with community forums or educational content provided by Kraken to deepen your understanding. Finally, practice disciplined trading to grow your potential sustainably over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.